Welcome to this instructional guide on configuring Open Custom VPN with UDP settings. This tutorial aims to provide you with a clear understanding of how to enhance your browsing speed and security. To begin, open the Play Store on your Android device, which is the primary source for app downloads. In the search bar at the top, enter Open Custom VPN and press Enter. Carefully review the search results to identify the official app, ensuring that you check the developer's name and user reviews for authenticity. Once you have located the correct app, select it to view its details. Next, proceed to download the application. Click on the Install button to initiate the download process. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. The installation will occur automatically, so you can wait until it is complete. After the app is successfully installed, an Open button will appear. Click this button to launch the Open Custom VPN application. You will be directed to the main interface, which includes various configuration options. Start by selecting a server. Look for the drop-down menu designated for server selection. Browse through the available options and choose a location that best fits your requirements by tapping on it. Once you have selected your server, the next step is to choose a protocol. You will see options such as TCP and UDP. For optimal performance in this tutorial, select UDP, as it is designed for faster and more efficient browsing. Tap on UDP to make it your active protocol. With your settings configured, the final step is to establish the VPN connection. This is a straightforward process. Simply click the Start button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Upon tapping, the VPN will connect, enabling you to experience improved browsing speed and enhanced security with your chosen UDP settings. Thank you for engaging with this tutorial. In our next session, we will explore how to customize the settings in Open Custom VPN to better suit your specific needs. We encourage you to subscribe for more educational VPN content, and we look forward to seeing you next time.